Hey guys, welcome to my channel for a bear tutorial. I'm a teddy bear. This look is inspired by Freddy Fazbear from Five Nights at Freddy's. I don't know if that game is still relevant. My kids like it. They think I'm cool. That's all that matters. This video is a collaboration with some other incredible artists. I'll link them all down below. Minsooky reached out to me for this collaboration on doing a color each. We each picked a color. Originally I was purple, but by the time we got around to actually doing the collaboration, my hair wasn't purple anymore, so I wanted to choose a different color. So I choose brown. I don't know. Pompberry is a part of this collaboration. Heather from makeupmouse and Minsooky, of course, started it. And aka Minsooky wanted to do this collaboration to highlight some creative content creators on YouTube, and I'm really honored that she asked me to participate. It's with a whole bunch of artists I love and look up to and I'm inspired by, so that's cool. If you'd like to see how I turned into a cutesy version of Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's, then keep watching. I am not prepared. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but I don't know how. I guess we can just ease into it slowly with some skincare. You guys know the drill. Maybelline Mag Bloom Elixir, Day Cream, Eye Cream, this one, and then this one and this one. Hands are clean, skin is clean, everything else, dirty.
My skin is ready.
Next up, Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer is the best. This is day 3, but I've been off sugar. It's very hard. I'm miserable. I think I'm just gonna start this with a regular, schmegular base. For foundation, For foundation, I'm gonna use the Stellar Beauty foundation in S02. And I'm just gonna squirt it right on top of my Pro 4F. I forgot how much I liked this foundation. Nice. Speaking of Stellar Beauty, they just extended their shade range for the concealer. I already know the formula is incredible, but they didn't have a shade light enough for me. But now, yay. And I'm gonna blend this out with the Pro 7E. I'm using kind of a stippling motion and a little bit of swiping. I'm using the stippling motion to kind of move the product around and then little swipes to blend it out. Looks good. That is such a nice formula. Not super full coverage, but enough coverage, and it's light and lovely, not cakey at all. And they are a cruelty-free Canadian company, which is very cool. A new product to try. I've got the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder, Banana, and Translucent. So I'm gonna go with Translucent. Just gonna make sure this is not creasy before I set it. And with the Pro 2F, I'm gonna pack it on under my eye. It feels nice. It seems brightening. Promising. I'm only gonna set my under eye because now I'm gonna go in with the cream contour stick. This is the Anastasia stick in Fawn. And I'm gonna contour as I normally would, but really heavy because I'm a bear. And bears have a very heavy contour. Back in with my Pro 4F. We are going to blend. I think I'm gonna contour my nose also, and then I'll decide how I'm gonna do my bear nose. I don't really know what I'm doing. Hopefully it just all comes together. Using my Pro 8E to blend out the nose contour, which I'm probably gonna leave pretty dark. Back into the ColourPop Translucent Powder. Bake under that contour. All the bright spots. And then I'm just gonna dust all the excess powder all over my contour and all over my face to set. I also got these little mamas. This is the ColourPop No Filter Sheer Press Powder. This is in Deep Dark. I'm gonna go over some of my contour with this for some more teddy bear fluff. using my Pro 2F. I'm excited to try these with a beauty makeup. I'm gonna work on this area here now. I'm gonna go back in with my concealer that I use, the Stellar, and I'm gonna create this lighter space around the nose, starting at kind of the middle of my nostril. Not my nostril, this part. My nostril enclosure. I'm filling it all in like a nice big mustache. I want this to be like a beauty version of a teddy bear, of the FNAF teddy bear. He's not a teddy bear, the animatronic. So I don't want it to be super cartoony. Don't know if that's gonna be something I can actually pull off. Freddy has like this really creepy bottom jaw. This part is small and then this part is connected all the way back. I'm trying to be a little bit cuter than that, but I still want it to be somewhat Freddy, or whatever the girl version of Freddy's name is. So far, I just kind of look like Homer Simpson. I'm gonna set this with some of the ColourPop translucent powder. Freddy has got some black eyebrows, so I'm gonna do some black eyebrows. And my favorite black eyeshadow right now is the black in El Jefe Alter Ego Kit by Hankandhenry. This black is everything. Using the Pro 7M, I'm gonna go in. He's got like a really blocked brow. So I think I'm only gonna fill in a part of my brow and just pretend that this little part doesn't exist. He's got Sharpie brows. Freddy's got big round eyes and they're really, really black around it because it's an animatronic animal puppet guy and his eyes are in 2 black holes and then his lid is brown. So I'm going to try and turn that into some kind of smoky eye. I'm gonna go into my Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette because it has all the good neutrals. And using the Pro 4E, I'm just gonna make a circle shape around my eye as a guide. Going back into the Alter Ego Kit El Jefe and grabbing that black on the Pro 3M and packing it on my under eye. And then carefully sweeping it across and blending it into that brown. And then bringing it up to the outer corner. And then same on the inner corner. Really lightly connecting this black to this black to make his brown lid. This is actually a pretty fucking cool eye look. I'm into it. With the Pro 6E and back into the Ultimate Basics palette, I'm gonna grab the lighter brown and I'm gonna do little bitty strokes around that light concealer so that the lightness stands out a little bit more against my skin. Connecting this to my mouth because it's got 2 separate pieces. I'm also gonna go in and add this teddy bear line. It just kind of actually goes down to the bottom a little bit too. I'm having a good time. Thank you for being here with me. And then I'm gonna go in with my Born to Glow highlighting palette from NYX because you know this bear is gonna be glowy. And with a mixture of these 2 shades, I'm just gonna really pack it on the cheek. Yes, you have to make this face. And since this is glam, I'm also gonna pop into these 2 and add it to our lid. I say our because I assume that you are following this tutorial as you watch it step by step. since this is a nice everyday, simple makeup tutorial for, you know, the grocery store, the post office, picking your kids up at school, especially if they like Five Nights at Freddy's. That really added a little something, something, and I like it. I think that it's time to put on a nose. Back into this black. Give myself a little Freddy nose. Since his eyeballs are white and they're in a little black eye socket, I'm gonna use my jumbo pencil in Milk by NYX. And I'm gonna throw that in my waterline. I put a brush down for 1 second and then it's just gone. Like, my desk eats makeup brushes, I swear. Freddy's got freckles, which is great news to me. They're black, but I'm gonna mix the black with some brown. He only has 3, but I don't want to be cartoony. I'm just gonna add them to the outer part of the upper mouth part. I'm not just gonna do 3, because I don't wanna. That'll do. I'm going to put on some lashes. He doesn't have lashes, but this is just like an inspired by Freddy look, so obviously I need some lashes. I'm gonna use Rouge and Rogue lashes, and Electra is likely makeup for money off. You're welcome. And I've been using the red cherry brush on glue. I haven't fully decided whether I love it yet, but so far so good. Gonna give him a little trim, brush on some glue. Let it dry for a moment, give it a bend so it's comfortable. And then pop it on my eyeball and hope for the best. Uh-oh. Where's the other one? Oh dear. I found it, it was on the floor. Nobody panic. I'm going to add lashes to the bottom to be a little bit more extra. These are little clusters of 3 lashes. I don't remember where they came from, I'm very sorry. I'm going to use the top 6, 3 on each side. These are the short variety, except I don't know where my tweezers are. I'm gonna attempt to do this with my fingernails. I got one, putting some glue on it. Oh, I've got it in my grasp. I can't see what I'm doing because my fingernail's so big. By Joe, we've got it. Beginner's luck, I bet you can't do it again. Oh, this one's not going so smoothly. No! Do what you're told. Okay, we got it. We're good. That one went extremely well. I'm gonna do the other 3 off camera. Wish me luck, please. Thank you. The other eye went swimmingly. Thank you for asking. I'm gonna pop on some of my Milk Kush mascara. Blend my lashes with the falsies. Carefully on the bottom. I don't want to pull off those clusters, peanut butter busters. Hello? For the lip, I'm going to use the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in True Grit. It's like a warm brown. And I'm kind of going to extend the lip out to the, in between the little mouthpiece. And now I'm going to go in and add my Freddy accessories, and then we'll assess from there. I've got his hat, his bow tie, ears that I robbed from a teddy bear, and I've always called this my teddy bear jacket, so I thought it would be appropriate for my look. In conclusion, if you want to be a cute bear, then you can do that. Let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see next. Don't forget to check out the other incredible artists that I did this collaboration with, and I'll see you in the next video.